Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI Q50 Red Sport. This one's slate gray over gallery white, has radiant exterior, welcome lighting, radiant emblem. Total sticker price of $62,335. Gorgeous. Misting out, so I don't want to get the camera lens wet. Biggest change in the infotainment, or gauge cluster I should say, addition of rear seatbelt reminder. Just make sure. There you go. Carbon trim in here, absolutely gorgeous. Round view monitor. Another big change for 2023. 3 years free maintenance. Yep, that's a huge addition. Other than that, other than slight tweaks, it's all the same, which is not a complaint. Love these cars. I mean, 400 horsepower from a 3-liter twin-turbo V6. Come on. What? You can't really complain about that. And then for 22, they got rid of direct adaptive steer, which is everybody's biggest complaint with these. So that's been revised. Obviously, it's carried over into 23. Yeah, that never gets old. I absolutely love spending time in these cars. They are just so good. And nobody really talks about them either. I mean, yeah, they've been the same largely since 2019, 2017 really. But in those years, they've made little tweaks and changes and just perfected the package. And now it's just good. I'm sitting here as a daily driver. What more do you want? What more do you need? You want more power? Bolt-ons. Tune. Done. And once you're cruising on the highway, it's comfortable. I mean, I'm in Sport Plus here, so let's go into Standard. A little bit softer suspension. Can even go one step further and go into Eco. Even Eco mode of this thing. Not a lot of cars are this composed on that corner. Standard, Sport Plus. What I like about Sport Plus on this is it's aggressive when it needs to be, but I can drive it in Sport Plus and be fine. Whereas my car, the Hellcat, I can't drive in a track. It's just annoying. This, the transmission's very good in terms of tuning. When you bury the brake pedal, it will downshift. When you're taking hard corners, it will stay high in the rev band. It's actually one of the better torque converter automatics in terms of sport driving and being able to kind of shift its shifting. Ironically, probably should have reworded that differently, but just kind of change its shift logic to really suit how you're driving. It's really impressive. Yeah, it's a 7-speed torque converter. No, it's not a dual clutch. No, it's not a 9, 10, 8-speed or anything like that. Is it an older transmission? Yes. But it's still good. I don't care what you say. It's a good transmission for what this car is. That being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.